Coco, do you know what today is?
The Boxycharm.
It is Boxycharm Day again. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, I don't know what happened. I filmed a Boxycharm video yesterday because I had gotten the box in. We left, the video uploaded today. We left the house and when we came home, there was another one sitting there. So I'm slightly confused. I'm thinking the one I filmed yesterday, it says, Women's History Month, and that was last month, right? So I think what was uploaded yesterday was last month's box, so March's box, and then this is April's box, I think. Also, just want to give a shout out to my friend. She has a channel. It is Unboxing with Arleen. She unboxes pretty much everything. So if there's a subscription out there that you have been wondering about, I'm pretty sure that she has a video on it on her channel. We were going to do a collab, but I don't think our boxes are ever going to sync up. So I figured I would just give her a quick shout out so y'all could check her out. I'll link her below, but let's jump into this. I'm excited because this one is really nice. So this month's card is Boxy Spring Reveal. Yesterday, the one I had was Game Changer, celebrating Game Changers and Boss Babes in honor of Women's History. So y'all let me know if that was, I got last month's box because I just signed up again. So I think that's what happened. When we pulled up today, I told my husband, oh my God, there's a box there. How'd that happen? And he was like, you probably ordered 2 of them. And I was like, oh, you might want to check your card then because I charge it all to his PayPal. Anyway, let's jump into it. The first thing I see is the Perfect Dual Quick Beat Mini Base Coverage, blah, blah, blah. How much is this and what is it? $30 for this. It says a flawless finish that lasts all day begins with the right tools. It says a lot more, but I'm not going to read it because I'm struggling to see without my glasses. Okay, so we have a little brush, foundation brush, and then I can get it out. We have a sponge. So I have another sponge that I'm going to keep in my drawer because Coco has gotten a hold of all 3 of my other sponges. So I'm going to keep this in my drawer here. Although she'll probably go into my drawer. Let me feel it first. Let me feel it. It's definitely smaller than a Real Techniques sponge or a lot of other sponges that I've had. It feels about as dense as a Real Techniques, but it's definitely smaller. And then you have a little brush. I generally don't paint my makeup on. I used to back in the day, but I don't anymore.
Oh, this is a strawberry melon.
Yeah, oh, it doesn't smell like strawberries. But I'll keep this and maybe I will start painting it on again. Who knows? I do actually like to use those brushes for face masks, so I might take that upstairs and use it for that purpose. Okay, then we have Studio Makeup Hydronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. Never heard of this brand, Studio Makeup. I feel like this is going to be expensive. It feels heavy duty. Let's see. This is $45. I knew it was going to be expensive. The perfect serum for all ages, highly concentrated, hydronic serum, rejuvenating serum, works quickly to reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity. That's good. Oh, while keeping skin tight, moisturized throughout the day. So is this something you use during the day? Let's see. Oh, she looks fancy. Glass, dropper thing. Let's smell it.
I want to smell it.
I don't know if you should.
It
has a chemical-y kind of, you know, this probably works type of smell. Let's see what we're supposed to do with this. I need glasses because the writing is way too small. Hold on. Pause. Okay, how to apply. Apply face serum in the morning or evening to cleanse skin, face, neck. Be used alone or before moisturizer. Benefits all skin types and ages, rejuvenating serum, hydration, plump, blah, blah, blah. So day or night. I generally use things like that at night and I like smother it on so it can soak in because my normal morning routine is pretty strict. Let's move on though, because y'all don't care about my morning routine. Maybe you do, and I'll do a video on it. Okay, the next thing we have Beauty Vault by Boo? What the hell, B-U? Or is that supposed to be an L-U? Let's look. Beauty Vault Erupt Lip Set. What is this right here? Is that B-U? L-U? What is that? I don't know. And it doesn't like say on this. It says this lip set includes a matte lipstick and a lip liner. Okay, this retails for $18.50. In the box I got yesterday, or I got it 2 days ago, but filmed the video yesterday, I got a lip set that I'm not going to use. It was from Pretty Vulgar. Ah, this is like the same freaking color. Mother F, dude. Okay, so this is a pretty berry shade, so I'm not mad at that. But this is not something I would typically use. So we'll put this aside, and maybe we'll put this with the Pretty Vulgar set and sell that on Poshmark or something, because They're two shades I'm just not going to use. The lip liner is nice, but you know, I don't really use lip liners either. Then we got this from Beauty Bakery. I know they sell this brand in Target because I've purchased it in Target before. It's not as cheap as like CoverGirl or Wet n Wild or something, but it's not like a luxury or high-end brand either. I do think this is a black-owned business though. I'm almost positive it is. I could be wrong. Let me know if I'm right or wrong, but I believe it is. This retails for $38. So like I said, generally this isn't the cheapest brand you're gonna find in Target. Okay, she's stunning. You can't really see the top and bottom middle shades, but the top one is like a white and then the bottom one is like an off pink type of shade. It's like a very muted pink that's almost not pink. It's almost like a skin tone type of color, but she is gorgeous. And they all have lemonade names. So this is Sour You Doing. Sour You Doing. Let's swatch. Okay, so this shade is calling to me. It's soft. It's not like a creamy matte, but it does feel soft. It doesn't give me that like, that gritty feeling, like the nails on a chalkboard kind of feeling you get sometime. I'll do this one since you can't really see it with my lighting, and then I'll do that bottom one too. They're creamy, but they're not as creamy as like something that's luxury or high end, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so, I mean, it's pretty. That's pretty. This is the top one. It has a shimmer to it. The bottom one is matte, so it's just, it almost shows up like white on me. And here's that gold one. Oh, that's gold. That is gold. So this is what that looks like, and you can kind of tell the shades now that it's swatched versus what I tried to show you when it was in the pan. She's pretty. The likelihood of me actually using the palette, I don't know because I have so many. And generally, I mean, I just don't wear makeup every day. I'm tired. I honestly just threw on some tinted moisturizer and a little bit of blush and highlighter because I'm tired and I wasn't expecting this box to come in at all. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm not mad at it. I'm happy that it came in, but I was not expecting. So anyway, what I'm saying is I probably won't really use that palette. I shouldn't have swatched it. I should have just not, so that I could sell it on Poshmark or put it in a giveaway. It's just, honestly, I have so many palettes that I buy to review or they're at TJ Maxx for a good price, and then I maybe use them once. I have to really love it to have used it more than one time. I'm not gonna lie to you. And then, anyway, carrying on, and then, this is the last thing. This is $40. The kit contains 6 blendable silky creams that are designed to accentuate, define, and highlight your face. 3 contour shades, 3 sculpting shades, creamy highlighting shades, blah, 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 blah. I've never heard of this brand. Aesthetica? Your brand.
Now you.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. I probably will not swatch this, y'all. I'm not gonna, oh, it has a paper. Probably not gonna swatch this because I have certain things that I love and I'm just not gonna probably use this. So it has a paper with all of this stuff and how to contour and highlight your face depending on if it's oval, square, triangle, round, long, pear, or heart-shaped. So that's a nice little added bonus. And then this is what she looks like. She's actually really pretty, and I think she has a little face thing on here. I think if you are a makeup artist and this is actually a good product, this would be a nice little thing to have because you do have a number of different shades. But also, what would I end up using? This shade and probably none on the top. This would be the only one I'd use, so it's not really, I don't want to swatch it because I don't want to ruin it. I will link my Poshmark below. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. I generally will post things there. I haven't in a while since we moved, but either a lot of the things that I get that I know I'm not going to use, I will either post there or I'll save for a giveaway. So some of this stuff will be put away for a giveaway and some might end up going on the Poshmark. This is another one of those fastest videos ever. Like the Boxycharm that uploaded today, I feel like that was a fast video. And I will link that video below in case you want to check it out, even though I'm pretty sure, let me know because I've been out of the Boxycharm game for a few months now. So I'm thinking that's what happened is I signed up late and I got last month's box, and then today I turn around and I got this month's box, even though I got them in the same month. I'm assuming that's what happened because the cards are completely different. Are the cards generally the same? Everyone gets the same cards, like this part? I don't know. I'm confused. Well, that's our box. I will link Boxycharm below, the makeup that I do have on, and Arleen's channel. The kids are screaming because they're playing with my husband, so we're going to end it here. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.
I will do that, Boxycharm.
Yeah.
Yeah, Boxycharm. Mama, why do you have that sunglasses? I cannot see you.
You can't see me.
I have your sunglasses. on.
They're not sunglasses, they're regular glasses.
Why the regular glasses? Why are you wearing regular glasses?
Can't wear them in the video because look at that glare. They look crazy.
Can I see?
Not well.
Look at take your sunglasses off.
Thanks. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. No.
Mama, where did the jaw?
I threw it. What the fancy? Where is it?
I had to use another brush.
You need another brush?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Did you have a good day today?
Yeah.
Good.
No, you do.
No, I don't.
I had go on here.
Oh, you have gold in yours?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, you want to show everyone? That's Coco's gold right there. She has gold also.
I can touch it.
Yeah, you can swatch it.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Swatch it on your hand.
You're watching your.
Oh, thank you. Oh, see? Pretty.
Uh-huh.
Good job blending. Good job. I'm loving what I'm seeing here. And I'm loving that lipstick.
I have to.
Yeah,
This.
yeah, that one. Beautiful.
You enjoy your one.
I want to try it. Okay, I'll try it. Did you rub this all over your face?
Yeah.
Okay, well, should I wipe off the one that I have on now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it. You want to do a video where you do my makeup?
Yeah.
Would that be fun?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pink.
Yeah. It's so sparkly.
It's a sparkly one?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. It's wow.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's something. All right.
I can see.
You like it?
Yeah.
I think it looks a lot better on you. Not gonna lie.
Okay.
Well, on camera it doesn't look bad, but I will tell you, in person it does not look G-O-D-D on me. G-O-D-D. G-O-O-D! Yeah. Oh, thank you. They were mine, so I appreciate that.
I don't know the brown one.
That's not a good look on me. G-O-D-D. What
Mama,
the hell's
this
wrong with
sounds
me?
easier.
Yeah. Let's just go ahead and...
Mama, I want to go to Disneyland.
Oh yeah, let's just randomly pick up and go to Disneyland. That's all the way across the country in California.
Yeah, we'll go. Yeah.
I was being sarcastic, but I think we might make it. I think we might make a trip to Disney World at some point soon.
What is that?
It is my lip oil. That's it. We're done. Okay? Are you done? Is there anything else you want to tell them before we go?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you want to tell them? Your favorite color, your favorite toy, your favorite show.
My favorite show.
What's your favorite show?
Nancy.
Nancy. And what's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. And who's your favorite mama or daddy?
Daddy.
Good. That's good. That's good.
And you love Daddy.
Yes, I do love daddy. I do love daddy. You know, I made you.
That's a camera.
Yes, it's a camera. You know, I made you. I made your arms that with the fingers you just pointed with. You know, I made that. I made all of this.
Yeah.
It's okay. Daddy can be your favorite. It's not a big deal.
Give him for your sunglasses.
It's not a big deal at all.